Hello guys, I'm back. I'm your German and I'm your advisor in the world of finest cigars. And today, maybe you will support me. Press the like button, subscribe my channel. Today, I will introduce you one cigar from my father. My father, Fonseca M. Hicks, Edition MX. My father, Fonseca, really nice label. Before I lighting these cigars, the cold draw was with a lot of nuance of coffee, dark chocolate, earth, lot of earth. But now the first note, earthly and coffee notes, lot of earth and coffee. Draw is okay, it's not excellent. Burning at this time is not okay. What I can say of these cigars, the wrapper is really nice, dark and oily. Is San Andres Oscuro tobacco, and for Fuhrer and Binder, they thought they use Nicaraguan tobaccos. Smell is okay. Little small pepper notes. Earth, coffee, a lot of coffee. Cherry, small cherry notes. Slowly the pepper notes increase in intensity. But most of chocolate and cherry notes. And these cherry notes provide a sweetness in these cigars. Look in this. My father's cigar, Fonseca, Edition MX. Great cigar from my father's family. Okay, the burning beginning to develop not so good. I will make a correction. Good cigar, good taste, medium to full body cigar, definitely. Medium to full body cigar. Nice label, stylish. This was so great stick, great made cigars, quality from wrapper leaf. Wrapper leaf is excellent. How I saw is this oily like a velvet. Nice wrapper, nice San Andres wrapper, Oscuro. Pepper, but coffee and cherry sweetness. Good cigars if you want to taste. I will recommend you this cigars from my father. My father make great cigars, and this Fonseca Edition MX is one of them. Smell sweetness, aftertaste chocolate, lot of dark chocolate. That is typical for San Andres tobaccos. Chocolate, sweetness, small pfeffer notes. I like San Andres tobaccos, and that is one of them. Great blend. That is friends. Support me. I'm a small man. I'm not supported by the big company. I buy the cigars by myself, and I need just a like. Press the like button. Ciao for another time together.